When it comes to AI-driven pre-sales, there are tools available such as AI agents out there, and those are linked with projects that are raising money. But what we can say here today is there is a brand new project out there right now that not only links you to AI, but allows you to use specific AI tools that are directly tied in with business models. So you could create books for children and sell them on Amazon, or many other different business models using their free tools. So without further ado, this isn't financial advice, but let's dive in to the world of AIDFY, because these guys are really changing the game. So this is AIDFY, and as you can see here, the website is just AIDFY.io, and you can check these guys out in the description, and I would highly recommend doing so. The reason for this is these guys are definitely doing a different angle here when it comes to using AI and crypto. And honestly, guys, they give you some of the best tools that they have completely for free so you can start earning money using them. So here they're basically saying we're not marketers, we're elite developers tired of broken promises and overpriced software. So we built AIDFY, a futuristic suite of powerful apps to help you make money or save money from day one. And that honestly is how AI should be presented and used. But many different projects out there are simply just not doing this and trying to get a cash grab. But AIDFY are really changing the game here, and I do think other projects will follow suit. So they've got a bunch of free things that we'll get into in a minute that you can access without any wallet or any sign up. Then they have a freemium tier, which is basically a bunch of different AI softwares that, yes, if you hold just one AIDFY token, you can access them. And they also have a very promising affiliate program as well, which we'll get into in a minute. But overall, we're talking about lifetime apps and zero subscriptions. That's exactly what AIDFY stand for. So here we can see the 3 products they're currently giving away here that you can access completely for free without holding any tokens, and you can actually start making money with them. So first of all, we have the AI Power Hub. This is basically a ChatGPT alternative. We can visit this app right now and I'll show you. Now, they've also got this coloring book creator, and this might sound a little foreign to you guys, but this is actually a $3.6 billion market where people will actually make their own children's coloring books and then put them on Amazon for people to buy. This is an incredibly profitable business model, and it's great that AIDFY basically giving you this for free so you can create your own and sell them. As you can see here, it's actually going to give you a full tutorial on how to use the platform with these videos in which, yes, you can get set up and started creating your coloring book and then put it on Amazon to make money. So I would highly advise just coming on over to AIDFY in the description and checking out some of these, because there is so much you can do here and it's all for free in this section. Now here we can see surprise bonus apps coming. So if we click that, we can see there's going to be an AI background remover, PDF tool suite in which you can edit, convert, compress, and manage PDF files all in one professional toolkit, and even an AI logo maker. And again, guys, everything here is completely for free. So great stuff there. Good to see a project actually giving away products here so that the community can grow and people can actually make money from them. And the goal here with these guys in this project is obviously to give you the tools to make money and then offer you the freemium tier. And as we can see here, all you got to do is hold one AIDFY token to actually get access to all of these different tools that you can then use to make even more money. So here we can see there's an avatar maker, AI face swapper, PDF toolkit, and a bunch of other things here that you can use to actually get content, make content, or even just check the crypto markets such as an airdrop checker and finder or an NFT market trends and rare sniper. So lots of different tools here that you can use not just in crypto but outside of crypto as well, and all you got to do is hold one AIDFY token. Because of the limited supply of this token, guys, everyone's holding one AIDFY token, then the price of that token, in my opinion, I believe, will skyrocket as this project gets more and more success. So the value you're getting, not just on the free version here, which I highly recommend you check out, but just holding one token, you're going to get so much more value. Whereas if you were using normal AI platforms, guys, they're going to have massive subscription fees. You're only going to get a certain amount of credits, and it's really going to be limiting. And I refer to this as gatekeeping, right? Because everyone is gatekeeping these AI products and white labeling them, and it's not really something that is effective in the market because no one is actually going to buy them. But with something like AIDFY, we can see that all you got to do is hold one AIDFY token. You're going to get access to pretty much every type of AI tool available out there. And yes, that includes voice cloning and AI face swapping as well. So you can even make your own content using this. Now, if you hold 3 or more AIDFY tokens, you can see that you'll get access to a bunch more tools here as well. So we've got a VPN service, we've got a 3D billboard video maker. So we've seen in New York, right, massive billboards with videos. You can basically make that here simply by holding 3 of these tokens. There's a 3D game generator, which is crazy, and an NFT generator and launch platform. And then if we go down here, we can see there's even crypto signals where there's an 83.14 success rate with these signals so far. So you can even get trading signals just by holding this token as well. And that's just a few of the many different things that you can get here by holding 3 of the tokens. And you can see this is where it gets more into the crypto side, where we can see there's a token launch pad. We've got a Web3 email platform, an AI influencer generator, and even a cross-chain NFT rarity aggregation platform. So overall, let's just scroll up. We can see so many different products here. You can get started with the free one. If you don't have the money to actually purchase this token, guys, then what you could do is actually use the free stuff to begin with, make money with that, and then obviously buy one of these tokens, unlock all of the rest, and then you have business models to fall back on to grow while your crypto grows. And what I love about this as well is if someone buys one AIDFY token, then yes, they're never going to sell that token because they don't want to lose access to all of these products. So that's going to make the token a lot more deflationary, and therefore the price could potentially go up because of that. Now, getting involved with this is super easy, guys. All you got to do is go to the pre-sale dashboard, definitely use the link in the description, and then you will see you can connect your wallet with this button here. So what you're going to do is connect your wallet, and then you can select the quantity of AIDFY that you want to buy. Now, it's important to note that you can't buy less than one because obviously, why would you buy it if you don't get access to the rest of the platform, right? So you're going to want to buy one here, and then yes, you can press buy, confirm that transaction, and you will gain access to all of those platforms. And what I love about this project is everything is already working, the products are all out there, and they have come out and said that they're building a ton more products as well. So this is only going to get better over time, and it's a one-time investment for life as long as you hold the token. So you can buy with Ethereum, USDC, or USDT, and once you've bought it, you simply press claim, and then it will be attached to your account or wallet. Now, another thing here is the affiliate or referral program, because as soon as you connect your wallet, you're going to get your very own referral link. Now, with this link, if you copy and paste it into your alpha groups or network, and again, guys, a super useful product, so it makes sense to share this, then you're actually going to get 10% instant commission on every purchase through your link. And when you compare the price of this token with, say, a subscription to HeyGen or ChatGPT, which is $20 or something like this, I mean, this is a one-time payment. You get access to tens and tens of different platforms and apps that you can use to make money with AI. Now, the price of this is only $50. So it would only be a couple of those subscriptions that you would get, but in those other platforms, you'll be paying that every month. This is a one-time fee in which, yes, you get access to everything. Now, obviously, for all of these apps, you need to buy one token. And then if you want all of the premium apps here, then you only need to buy 3 tokens as well here. So if you're someone that's thinking about launching a token, you don't know how to do it, you could buy 3 of these tokens and then basically have access to all of these AI apps, a token launchpad, and a bunch of other different products to help you get a successful launch. And you won't need to code or do anything like that because AI takes that all off your hands and it's all at your fingertips. So this isn't just your average meme coin project or AI project that's purely about hype. This is actually a project that's offering a service with products and with a nice freemium tier as well here. and with a nice free tier as well here, so you can get started without even having to pay anything. So the business model here would be very, very simple. If you don't have money, all you got to do is use these free tools, make some money, then buy a token, make some more money, and then buy 2 more tokens, and then you have access to everything. And as long as you hold those tokens, your access isn't going anywhere. But let's take a look at the tokenomics here. Here we can see there's just over 500,000 AIDFY tokens, and this is fixed. There's no inflation ever on this thing. So basically, no one can ever mint any more tokens on this project. Now, in terms of allocation and distribution here, we can see that 88% of this token supply is going towards the community via the pre-sale. So in terms of distribution, decentralization, this is something I consider to be massive. We never ever see most projects give away this much, and you can see it's more about the products associated with this token rather than the token itself. But the way this is set out with a small supply and the fact that you would buy one of these tokens really does add to the deflationary effect, which I think will cause this project to have a lot of success. Now, the team have 2% of the tokens, which is a very small amount, and 7% is going to exchange and liquidity for listings. So what does that mean? Basically, that's just going to help keep the price stable over time. And then they've kept aside 3% for development reserve. So this is going to cover infrastructure, app scaling, smart contract audits, and feature expansions as well here. And in terms of security here, guys, we can see the audit was passed with flying colors with Ether Authority. So yes, good stuff there. Passed with flying colors, ticks all around, which is great for the security of the project as a whole. So that is AIDFY. Definitely check it out in the description, guys, because this is a very unique and revolutionary product that's actually using AI the right way. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.